Some breakfasts are basically a trap. They look healthy, they taste good, and then 2 hours later, you are starving, distracted, and standing in front of the pantry looking for anything sweet or salty. That isn't lack of willpower. It's a breakfast problem. Today I'll show you 5 breakfasts that can actually keep you full for hours by working with your body's hunger signals instead of triggering them. If you constantly feel hungry before lunch, your breakfast may be missing one or more of 3 key nutrients: protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These nutrients slow digestion, help stabilize blood sugar, and support better control of hunger hormones like ghrelin. Let's start with number 5. Meal number 5. Greek yogurt berry bowl. Plain Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein. Protein is the most filling macronutrient because it slows stomach emptying and helps reduce hunger between meals. Add fresh berries, 1 tablespoon of chia or ground flax seed, a small handful of walnuts or almonds. The berries provide fiber and antioxidants. The seeds add soluble fiber and omega-3 fats. The nuts provide healthy fats that further slow digestion. Choose plain yogurt whenever possible to avoid excess added sugar. Meal number 4. Vegetable omelette with whole grain toast. Eggs provide high quality protein along with important nutrients such as choline, vitamin B12, and selenium. Adding vegetables like spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes, and peppers increases fiber and volume without adding many calories. Finish with 1 slice of whole grain toast. This combination provides steady energy instead of the rapid blood sugar spike that many sugary breakfasts can cause. Meal number 3. Overnight oats with nuts and seeds. Rolled oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that slows digestion and helps you feel satisfied longer. Mix together rolled oats, milk or fortified soy milk, chia seeds, cinnamon. Leave it overnight. In the morning, add blueberries, sliced apples, or strawberries, along with a few almonds. This breakfast releases energy gradually instead of all at once. Meal number 2. Cottage cheese and avocado toast. Whole grain bread provides fiber. Cottage cheese adds plenty of protein. Avocado contributes healthy monounsaturated fats. Top with sliced tomatoes, cucumber, or radishes for extra crunch and nutrients. This meal combines all 3 components that help reduce cravings: protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Meal number 1. Balanced protein smoothie. Many smoothies are actually desserts in disguise. Instead, blend plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened milk or fortified soy milk, frozen berries, a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, half a banana. This smoothie provides protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats while avoiding large amounts of added sugar. It's filling enough to keep many people satisfied until lunchtime. If you're hungry every morning before lunch, don't blame your willpower. Look at your breakfast. A simple formula works surprisingly well. Protein, fiber, healthy fats, whole foods. When those 4 pieces come together, cravings often become much easier to manage. If you found this helpful, subscribe for evidence-based health videos explained simply by a doctor. And if there's a health topic you've always wanted explained without the myths, leave it in the comments. I might cover it in the next video.